right, so Vlad and Mitra here.
Hi.
Purple Tree Group. We are in Whitby in front of our new listing at 2 Lady May, right behind us. Beautiful corner lot, very large house. It's absolutely spectacular outside. It's snowing, it's quiet. And we're gonna give you a tour around the house with the video outside. We can't get inside, it's been photographed, but Mitra had seen it, so wanted to get some of her impressions.
So guys, today is the first day that I'm seeing this house and I was blown away of the condition and the quality of workmanship and floor plan of the house. The main floor, really the kitchen family room is a masterpiece of my main floor. You would love to spend all of your time there. And upstairs, 4-bedroom, 3 bathrooms, every room has its own ensuite. Basement, a bedroom again and a bathroom, very nicely set up for extended family. Beautiful home to see.
Great place to live in.
Absolutely.
Huh? Yeah, exactly. So guys, if you have questions, we're gonna link up information in the description below. Also, feel free to reach out. We'll be happy to talk.
Talk
See
to
you.
you. Bye-bye.